Okay, so we look at this question. It says solve 1 over x plus 1 plus 4 over 2x minus 1 equals 5 over 3. Now, since we're dealing with fractions, we're add and subtract fractions. The best way to do this is common denominator. So we write the three things underneath. Okay, I'm getting this line across here. So what's this 1 multiplied by? Well, it's not multiplied by the x plus 1, it's multiplied by these other two. So it's 3 and 2x minus 1. Plus 4, it's not multiplied by the 2x minus 1, it's multiplied by the 3 and the x plus 1. And the 5 is not multiplied by the 3 because it's underneath it, it's multiplied by the other two, x plus 1 and 2x minus 1. Okay, so multiply it out. So 1 by 3 is 3. 3 times this bracket is 6x minus 3 plus 4 3s are 12. By this bracket is 12x plus 4. Sorry, plus 12 equals, well, I'm going to do a bit of rough work over here. So I'm going to multiply x plus 1 by 2x minus 1 initially. So I get, split the bracket, multiply it out, 2x squared minus 1x plus 2x minus 1, which is 2x squared plus 1x minus 1, and multiply that by 5. Okay, so I get 10x squared plus 5x minus 5. Okay, so I'll just tidy up a bit. So 6x and 12 is 18x, minus 3 and 12 is 9, and there's no more tidying to be done over here. Now, if I look at it, see an x squared, I see x's in, and I see a number. So I know that this is going to turn into some sort of a quadratic, a guide number. So it'll be 10x squared, the x's come next, so plus 5x minus 18x, and the numbers come last, minus 5, and I bring the 9 over, minus 9. So you get 10x squared minus 13x minus 14. Okay, so if I look at it, it's equal to 0 now. So if I look at it, it's guide number. So the guide number is found by multiplying the first by the last. It's minus 140x squared. The factors of that are 140 by 1, 2 70s, 70x by 2x. That won't work to make 13. The one that's going to work is going to be 20x and 7x. Okay, so I need a minus 13, so it will be minus 20 plus 7. So I ignore these two. Okay, so I replace it. So I've got 10x squared minus 20x plus 7x minus 14. Okay, then I look at the first two and I say, well, what's common? Well, 10x is common, so then I'm left with x minus 2. I look at the next two, 7 is common, so I'm left with x minus 2. So my two factors are 10x plus 7 and x minus 2. They're both equal to 0. Okay, so if I put that up here, so 10x plus 7 equals 0. 10x is equal to minus 7. X is equal to minus 7 over 10. So that's one answer. And the other answer will be x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2. So there's my two values for x that are true for this equation.